This video is in collaboration with Cabernet from Whitaker's Way. Be sure to check out her link in the description box down below. Okay, y'all, so today is the day that I took off. I meant what I said. I'm calling out tomorrow. But no, I really didn't call out. I took this day off. I just wanted to have a day to myself and just get out. I never get out without the kiddos. It's time for some new scenery. So I'm going to be traveling to Lynchburg, Virginia, just to have like a day out. So I need to get ready to drop the kids off at school. And then I'll be ready to go. So funny story, yesterday, went to try and go get a rental because I just didn't want to like use, like my car or whatever. Get over there and they're like, you have a reservation? Like, yeah. And then all of a sudden they go and say, oh, okay, I see it. Okay, that'll be $500 plus the like 60 or 70 to use the car. Okay, that's where they lost me at. You want me to pay you guys what I already paid you, 60, 70 bucks for the car, and then to give you a $500 holding fee? You've lost your mind. No, thank you. So I was just like, you know what? It's going to be what it's going to be. I've already taken off. No, I'm not about to, withdraw my takeoff and go into work. No, I'm not about to let it ruin my day or anything else. I told that man last night straight up, no disrespect. I've never had these problems when I've rented with Avis or Budget to where y'all feel the need to hold $500. Anyways, I need to just take my hair out, put something in it for the day, and then I'm gonna get ready to roll out of here soon. I think right now it is 7:17. Normally I'm at work by this time, but because my daughter is going in by herself and not with me, I'm gonna drop her off at about 7:40. So that way I can just take my son around the corner to the bus stop and then peace out. So join me today. Okay, so finally done. This is exactly how I'm gonna wear it today, just curly. I didn't want to straighten it because of the simple fact that it's raining. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty smooth ride. So it's gonna take me about an hour, 10 minutes. And I'm excited. Of course, it just has to rain this morning when I need to get on the road and it's cold.
Then bow, you ain't slapping when you heard that boy talking down.
Trouble caught inside.
I just need you to get real.
Everything I do for you, and I really did. It's just us.
It's just us.
It's always us.
Like they ride the whole time trying to pass me, watching me go through it, still trying to drag me. I graduate college, that's girl shit.
I have to pee so bad. Okay, so I have to be honest and very transparent. I think I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. This is the first time that we're actually meeting in person. And we have known each other now for like 2, going on 3 years. And I'm really, really nervous. Yeah, I'm nervous. But I'm really excited to meet her. And I wish that the kiddos and hubby was with her, but this is like a once in a lifetime meetup where she's traveled across the world from, Japan over here, and I am excited. Okay, so we stopped the vehicle for a few minutes. But you can't even see it.
Like, yeah, you can take time getting your dreams. I didn't know if he was serious. And I don't know how many days it's going to do it, so I'm excited. Yes. And do you have like a YouTube channel or?
Double living here at the line on top. And then you can see those three large Lynchburg Common Center. That is the called the Dome Center? I don't know. No, I haven't heard of
Always been a vine.
the vines, I believe so, at least since I've been here. So that's where convocation takes place. So that's every Wednesday and Friday, and they're usually 5. And it's just for so it used to be through chapel, now it's combo. And it's just
Okay, so we came to Liberty University, where we go to school at. And I had to stop on the 15th floor, y'all. I can't go up. Let me show y'all where she's at. Y'all, up there. I cannot do it. I'm already freaked out of heights, right? If you look out, this shows you the 360 view of Liberty University. So they're all the way up there. I'm telling you, like, I was so excited to see her. When she got in the car, we just like hugged each other. But I'm not doing heights. I'm ready to go. I'm just sitting here in the little room, waiting on the 15th floor. She's on the 17th. I can't do it. So eventually we'll get ready to drift off to Hobby Lobby and another store. And who knows what else. We just came from eating out at Chick-fil-A. And yeah, we'll just have to see. I need to put some lotion on. My pants are ready.
I'll be back.
So my time has come to an end where we have parted ways, and it was a really great experience to meet her in person. She's still the same person that I met online 2 years ago, and she's very sweet, very kind. I enjoyed spending time with her, and I'm glad that we got to meet in person. So I'm gonna head back home and see what my evening holds. Okay, it does feel like we have known each other for a long time, and meeting in person like just really like knocked off all of the like worries and thoughts and everything else. So I feel like our time was rushed, but that's okay. You know, it is what it is. I was just asked, you know, did y'all have fun? And my comment was it was the best. I couldn't have asked for that from anyone else. I did do a small YouTube meetup around this time last year, and it didn't go so well. So I hope that, you know, like this one sticks, and she's not a small YouTuber. She's sitting at 8K on her road to 9K. So if you're watching this video, please go over to her channel, subscribe, and let's help her get to her goal of 9K. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying my ride home, blasting some music, and I hope that you all enjoyed watching. I know I'm definitely going to be able to sit back and watch this multiple times and see all of the fun that we got to get out and do. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and make sure you go check out Cabinet's channel over at the Whitaker's Way, and stick around.